2007 Nissan Maxima SE. Door light changes. I want to change the door lights to clear and LED. These are just a regular red with the standard bulb in it. I have the tool right here. I'm going to try to pry this out and change the light out. So here is this spot right here. Well, actually, let me go in the middle. Go like this. Jam it out. Here's the connector. And it comes straight out like that. So I put the new one on. Okay, new light is connected here. And then it's real easy. Just put those in there. Clip it up. And that is the result. Okay, passenger side, same process. Stick the tool under here. And this is the clip right here for the light. And get it this way. Disconnected. Okay, the light is connected. Same process as the driver's side. Stick those in there. Clip that up. Make sure it's tight. And